I built DIY SEO as a way to share my personal toolkit with other agencies looking to offer SEO service. I continually encounter agencies and solopreneurs doing website design, graphic design, other digital marketing services that either are offering SEO but not fulfilling very well, or are not offering SEO at all. And so DIY SEO is a complete toolkit to allow your agency or your operation to begin selling SEO services at very affordable rates, leveraging all of the tools and systems inside DIY SEO. DIY SEO contains a customized Google Sheet that you can use for every single client to organize your SEO endeavors. It includes tabs to track competitors, list referring domains that those competitors have and their domain authorities, contain basic business information so that you can easily refer to it while you're building backlinks. It also contains tabs for keyword research, content planning, industry-specific niche sites, and more. So the sheet empowers you to create instantly a framework that is shareable and scalable for each one of your SEO clients. Now, here's where DIY SEO really shines. All of the backlink resources I've assembled with easy to follow instructions, any costs involved, domain authority strengths are grouped together on various lists here on my site. So for example, the master link tab will allow you to search my entire backlink database and by name and see what backlinks pop up. I also have a 12-month program, so you can click on month 1, build those links, click on month 2, build those links, click on month 3. And I help frame the entire scope of the project, exactly what to promise the client, exactly what you'll do on a monthly basis. My standard mode of operation is to commit to building 20 unique referring domains per month, ranging from high authority, 80, 90 domain authority sites down to 20, 30 domain authority sites. A good, healthy mix, okay? I've got .govs, .edus, and when it comes to industry-specific links, I've got links that you can immediately access by major industries like HVAC, plumbing, lawn care, pool, architects, law, etc. I'm also developing local links, starting with major Texas cities and expanding into other large metros. So if you're serving a client in one of those metros, you can click on local links and immediately get sources and ideas for local links for those clients of yours. Special plays is incredible because I help you do smart strategic things with your client in order to produce an SEO result and also other ancillary marketing results as well. For example, starting a podcast, rolling some of their blog posts into a book, starting a scholarship, offering a discount program. So for each special play, I've got a list of backlink sources that correspond to that special play, so you can literally unveil the special play on a monthly or a quarterly basis, depending on your timetable, and build backlinks for them. I've got a list of paid backlinks. These are high quality paid directories, paid sponsorship opportunities. If you've got the budget, you can just go with it. Okay, you're going to spend far less than hiring blog placements. So that's my goal here, is for the low monthly membership of DIY SEO, you can scale this to 2 clients, 5 clients, 10 clients, 20 clients, and create a massive revenue source. It's very manageable by sometimes entry-level teammates on your organization. This could even be managed or fulfilled by a virtual assistant with somebody in office managing it here. So that is DIY in a nutshell. We do have a community where you can interact with myself and others and get real-time help and game plans. And my goal is to help you succeed and sell more SEO services to your clients and your prospects. Thanks so much. Look forward to working with you. God bless.